What happens when jealousy takes over someone's mind? Can it destroy happiness or change a life forever? Let's watch the story of Kali, the jealous bird. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful jungle. In that jungle, there lived a bird who was always jealous of everyone's happiness and prosperity. Her name was Kali. She always showed off her beauty and said that she was the cleverest bird in the forest. One day, Bulbul bought a beautiful bag for herself and showed it to the other birds in the jungle.
Show me your bag. How much did it cost? This bag cost 250 rupees. But it does not look costly. Anyway, I have many expensive bags. Take your bag. I have very urgent work to do. I am going.
Saying this, Kali went to her home. But that night, she did not sleep properly.
How could she buy this type of bag before me? I will do something to destroy her happiness.
The next morning, Kali got ready and went to Bulbul's home.
Hi Bulbul, how are you? I am fine. What about you? I am also great. So early in the morning. What brings you here? Yes, actually I am going to a function. Can you give me your new bag? I will return it safely.
Unknowingly, Bulbul gave her bag to Kali.
I am giving you my new bag, but please return it as soon as possible. I bought this bag after many days of saving. It may be less costly for you, but I love it. No worries, I will return it safely.
After the conversation, Kali went to a silent place in the jungle where there was no one.
Return it as soon as possible. My foot, I will show the real cost of this bag.
Saying this, Kali broke the bag with a stick.
Now my heart is relaxed. I am the cleverest and richest bird in the jungle. No one can buy anything good before me.
After some time, Kali went to Bulbul's house.
Bulbul, Bulbul, can you hear me? Come fast. I am extremely sorry. I never thought this type of incident would happen. What happened? What is the matter? Why are you crying? When I was going to the function, some bats from another jungle attacked me and broke your beautiful bag.
Bulbul became very sad, but she did not say anything. She returned to her home with a broken heart. The next day, a bird named Mithi brought a new necklace for her sister's wedding.
I heard you bought a new necklace. Yes, this is for my sister's marriage. Show me, how is it?
Mithi gave the necklace to Kali.
It is very lightweight and not much designed. By the way, how much did it cost? 25,000. Oh my god, they charged you a lot. According to the gold, this is too much. I have 4 necklaces like this and I bought them for under 20,000 only. Anyway, it's your choice.
At home, Kali was burning with jealousy.
I will do something. How can they buy such a stylish gold necklace? I can't tolerate it.
One evening, Kali made a plan and spoke to another bird.
I will give you whatever you want, but you have to do what I say. Tonight, when Mithi sleeps, go to her house and steal her gold necklace.
The next morning, in a quiet place in the jungle, they met again.
Where is my reward?
Kali gave her some money. A jackal had seen all these incidents. Kali Kali used to do such things most of the time. All the birds in the jungle knew about Kali's nature, but they did not say anything to her face. One day, Kali fell into trouble. While flying in the jungle, she did not see a hunter's net and got trapped in it.
Help! Help! Someone please save me!
She cried loudly and asked every bird to help.
Bulbul, please help me! Mithi, please save me!
But no one came to help her. All the birds remembered her jealousy and the wrong things she had done. After some time, the jackal, who had seen all her actions, came there. Kali, now you need help. But tell me, did you ever help anyone?
I am sorry. Please save me. I will never do wrong again.
You were always jealous of others' happiness. You tried to destroy their joy. Today you are alone because of your own actions. Kali started crying and felt ashamed for herself. Jealousy only brings pain and loneliness. If you want happiness, learn to be kind and feel happy for others. Kali understood her mistake.
You are right. I will never be jealous again. I will change myself.
Seeing her regret, the jackal helped her come out of the net. From that day, Kali stopped being jealous and started living happily with all the birds. Jealousy destroys happiness, but kindness brings true peace. What would you choose, jealousy or kindness? Would you help Kali or not? Write your answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching.